Burton Law is a virtual law firm model. Whether we like that label or not, that's what we have right now to deal with. And it's educational. It's a way to teach folks about different types of ways of running firms. The way I describe our 7-lawyer firm that does full service and online delivery is that you take your traditional brick and mortar setting and you blow the walls off of it. You put the lawyers out working where you're going to get their best stuff from a client service perspective. You replace on-site staff with virtual assistants. And you get rid of old, clunky, expensive technology, and you replace it with comprehensive cloud-based solutions. The talk today was focused on the changes that are occurring in the future of the profession, both from client expectations on access to information and cost issues related to the delivery of legal services. Lay people have Googled and laid out the statutory provisions that they think govern their claim. And I've never met these people before. And you know what? Sometimes they're right. That's scary. And sometimes they're wrong. But when our clients are coming to us, whatever level of sophistication we're talking about, they're not all starting from ground zero as before. You know, people wouldn't go to the law library on a regular basis and find books and figure out, considering I don't think a law student coming out of school, including me, could shepherdize something in a book right now. So we wouldn't expect our clients to do this. But now the internet is providing an access to information that is unprecedented from our standpoint. We are now in a society, not just for legal services, but for everybody, of a more for less mentality. You want more for less money. And as those of you that are, have worked with clients over the past several years, you're going to see that. And with that, that has really sparked the conversation on alternative fee structures. We're going to have to make significant changes to the operations of law firms because it's not sustainable if you try to continue from in a future perspective operating under a model with a cost structure that takes into account old billing practices. Those two don't jive with each other. And the important thing to recognize is that the law firm model is changing and it's evolving, and that's not stopping. And to the extent that folks need help with it, the Bar Association is a great place to help make that happen and to help you understand technology and how changes could be made to better serve clients. Here's a challenge going forward. If you are running committees and sections and divisions, and you've got to think about, are we setting up our folks for the future of the profession, and should we be doing things differently? Because the members of the Bar Association should be asking for that help. And the OSBA has done a great job. I talked about Clio for a reason, because that is an excellent example. CLEs throughout the year on ways to use technology, iPads in the practice, the cloud. There is a tech seminar in December each year hosted by the GP Solo section that is a great way to learn about using technology to what? To go to your clients and to go to where they are. Because this stuff is coming and it's not stopping. And it sounds alarmist, but it's true. And this is a positive thing in my mind, because it's helping us serve our clients better. Because that's why we exist as lawyers. We exist to serve.